How to buy StakeStone token. So this token came under the symbol of STO. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply those codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token will be listed on MEXC. So I will show you how to buy this token if this token will be live for trading. Now first of all, log into your MEXC account, as you can see. So if you don't have an account to MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account to MEXC to benefit from rewards first and find your token with some usage. Now in the search bar, type the token name. In this case it will be STO, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Well, a few seconds, as you can see, they said here that this token it will be coming soon. Stay tuned. Now what you need to do after this token it's live for trading, you can click on limit. Here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you will be able to GCT on your account. Now click here on buy STO. If you select the market, you can drag this to see how much percentage that you want to use of the GCT on your account, and click here on buy STO. So this is how to buy STO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.